Pompiers, come on, pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove.
Now listen to my style, I've been doing it for a while. I've been bumping to this shit since I was a juvenile. A ruthless child, having too much energy inside of me, so I released it all in raps. I wrote silently, I lose myself into this groove. Told you I'll come up with the type of shit that I produce. Passion, we dig the samples you're lacking, we chop them up. Have you looking badly at rapping? Take it back to when it was about being the hardest on the scene. Represent for the teens, smoking green, yelling at all rappers I see. You need to walk like a duck if you wanna be an MC. So I'm blasting rhyme skills more than you can handle. My rhymes are the light for more than 1,000 candles. It's classic, massive shit we introduce. Jayeness, if you like it, play the shit, and if you do, then
Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove.
Now everybody follow me, come to see I'm gonna be throwing these lyric and sophisticated flows of me out on the mic, yo, might find it tight, so we got to rock a lot of motherfuckers to the side, bro. Cause they don't get it, don't sweat to represent old school boom bap funk shit, so enter the cipher, the master your skills and the cipher. The big difference between them singing and it right. They don't wanna do it like a lot, don't did it, yeah we in it, just to feel the vibe and flow with it. No commercial hype game, wipe it out your mind shit, just a middle little bit of spit it more precise way. Boom bap beats blazing straight to your head sound. Even if you do it for less than the background, we stand strong and we support the real ones. Jayeness, yes we keep a rocket to your eardrums.
Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove.
I'm living proof, yo, and I do show you my crew's in the mood for a true flow. Giving you everything you need, like a new home for hip-hop, to living in the tombstone for all the actions you begin. We're done with it, they only last for 1 minute, while our legacy will forever be on your memory like Bun did it. You wanna test us, then come get it. Jayeness will pull it off like panties on drunk bitches. We don't hang with the crap, we boom bap to the bone. Ask the fans at our shows, a free stand at our own, a free rap about dough, a free brag about clothes. If you ever think you act like you know, you better come and check us with a cypher after the show. Come see us searching all night for a sample of soul. We put our life and love in it cause we're passionate souls. Master our goals till we see the rhymes is out of control.
Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on.
Check it out.
Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove.
Did you get it? You got it? Well then good. Cause most rappers are misunderstood. You don't listen to the lyrics, only listen to the groove. You don't hear what we are spitting, or what are we supposed to do? What's the move to do? Making old 90s brew. We're ready to meet a brand new old school crew. The return of the boom bap that we once knew. Back with the smooth rapping, so we bump you. Always talk about the hood, always talk about what should be done, but most of y'all run from a problem and solve them. Jayeness, King D, we ain't stopping till we get your asses back vibing. So I think you understand that the right man for the job is hard to find, but you finally found them standing right in front of you with a mic. And if you like it, what you hear, then you got the
Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, what? Pompiers, come on. Pompiers, if you hear the bass groove.